OpenAI just did the one thing every free ChatGPT user has been begging for. The cap is gone. No more of that "you've hit your limit, come back in 3 hours." Free and Go users now get unlimited text chats. The default model changes too. GPT-5.5 Instant is out, and GPT-5.6 Luna is in. OpenAI says Luna gets things wrong much less often, answers containing at least one factual error, down 62%. That's OpenAI grading its own homework, to be fair. But 62% is a bold number to put in writing. Paying users aren't left out either. Plus and Pro get a retuned GPT 5.6 Sol starting today. Sol is blunter now, tighter formatting, fewer tangents, and it'll actually correct you instead of just agreeing. It also gets a slider, this thing right here. You literally drag how hard ChatGPT thinks about your question. Sol's error rate? Down 68% on finance, medical, and legal prompts. Again, OpenAI's own evaluations. Now, the catch, because there is always a catch. Unlimited means text. Watch these 3: files, images, voice. Every one of them keeps its limits. And the clever part is that Think button landing for free users next week. Luna is the fast, cheap model. Think is the door to the expensive behavior, and that door still has a handle on it. So this isn't OpenAI giving away the good stuff. It's OpenAI making the cheap stuff infinite. At roughly 1 billion people a week, that's the maths that keeps the servers standing. Watch whether that Think button stays free once everybody finds it. Until then, I'm the Tech Bard, and go enjoy that unlimited quota. Hit like and subscribe. This one's AI made, human checked before it went out, and if anything slipped, I'll want to know.